Hey there, fellow travelers! Are you ready to revolutionize the way you stay connected on the go? With ZetSIM's eSIM, the future of travel connectivity is at your fingertips. Step 1. Check compatibility. ZetSIM has got you covered. Simply visit our website and check if your device is eSIM ready. Step 2. Purchase. Whether you're a casual explorer or a seasoned adventurer, there's a plan that's perfect for you. Simply select your choice of plan and click Buy for uninterrupted connectivity. Step 3. Install. It's as easy as scanning a QR code. Simply follow the instructions provided and stay connected anywhere you go. So why wait? Start your digital adventure today with ZetSIM. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your travel experience with seamless connectivity. Your ZetSIM is just a click away. Go SIMless with ZetSIM. Switch today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to ZetSIM Global.